What is up, creators? Ceebz here, and in this video, we are going to be breaking down the video business card for you. This is one of the most important videos you're going to make for your clients as a content strategist, and when used correctly, you will help your clients crush their goals and be able to charge 5 or 10 times more as a result. First off, what is a video business card? A video business card is essentially a brand video that takes prospects around all aspects of someone's business: who they are, why they do what they do, how they're different than the competition, and then a call to action. So what this means is this is not a random video. There's a formula to it, and it's based on logic and emotion, and each one of these elements should flow and build off one another into a 2-minute masterpiece for your clients. People like to buy from those that they know, like, and trust, and the VBC is meant to do exactly that. It's meant to connect passionate business owners and their businesses with their target audience, explain what they do in a polished, clear, and concise manner that establishes them as an industry expert, and then get a prospect to take action. So what problems does this solve for a business owner, and what value does it actually bring to them? The VBC is a perfect video for any business or brand that wants to save time, make more money, or develop relationships. And if they're looking to do all three, even better. Because of this, the VBC is one of the most versatile video assets out there, and it's something that every company can benefit from. You can use it on a landing page. You can put it in your email signature. You could add it to your social media and even pin it up on featured pages. It doesn't stop there though. You know how they say that first impressions are last impressions? Imagine if you had a VBC ready to go whenever you met a new prospect or got a referral. You would be able to let them know exactly what you do, who you help, the next steps to take, if they would be a good fit or not, and how they should get in touch with you if you're interested. So let's break down each one of those into greater detail. First off, how can a video business card save a prospect time? A VBC can be working behind the scenes like 100 passionate and hungry salesmen. 24/7, 365, their VBC will be showcasing their business in the most polished professional way, with a clear message and a great offer, attracting new clients even when they sleep. Secondly, it can help save time qualifying prospects and improve time operationally. Lastly, it can save their sales team, assistants, or receptionist time. Imagine if every time a new lead or a referral came in, they could just send your clients VBC and it perfectly explains what they do and why their business exists without the business owner ever needing to speak to them.
We work with customers who have been denied credit by all the banks. Dealerships have shot them down because of their credit score. Here at LRM Leasing, we get you in the truck and we get you rolling.
So now that you understand how it can save a prospect time, let's talk about how a VBC can make your client money. So once again, guys, content assets, they're out there working for your clients 24/7, 365 days a year. They sell for the business owner even while they're sleeping in the highest quality way. It's pretty cool, right? Additionally, by showing your clients in the highest quality way with video business cards, your clients are able to position themselves as the expert in their industry. By establishing themselves as the industry expert, they're able to separate themselves from the competition, show that they're not a commodity, and charge way more on that alone.
Rod Armor is the first of its kind, a marine protection film specifically designed to handle the harshest of elements.
Lastly, the video business card can increase the conversion rate of existing website visitors or ad campaigns. The more people that see the video business card, the more likely they're going to convert into a paying client. Now that you understand how it can make a client more money, onto the third aspect, using a video business card to further your relationships. When someone knows why a company exists, it helps connect to that audience on a much deeper level, and it humanizes the brand. Maybe there was an exact moment in time in an entrepreneur's life. Maybe something happened that caused them to want to build this business to help people. Or it could be the intangible, where it wasn't really tied to anything specific, more so it evolved over time and came about out of necessity, kind of like my content strategy business.
And really learned creative storytelling and doing different travel videos. And over the years, just kind of developed, and I kept shooting. People started to reach out and just ask me if I could help them with this video or that video. And I realized that there was a massive need in the marketplace for business owners who needed the right content, but just didn't know how to go about doing that.
Whatever it is, by capturing this in a video business card and sharing the deeper story behind why a company exists, it will improve relationships with those prospects, existing clients, potential team members, existing team members, friends, the list just goes on and on. Lastly, let's talk about how we actually make a video business card now that we know how insanely powerful they can be for your clients. The VBC process can be broken down into 3 phases: the deep dive, the shoot, and then post-production. Let's jump into the high-level stuff now. First off, you have the deep dive. The purpose of the deep dive is to really learn more about the business and understand the core components that you're going to be capturing for their video business card. Who, why, what, and how. Typically, I like to set up a 90-minute in-person meeting and ask my client when is the best time for us to meet, where they're gonna have no distractions, nothing else on their mind. The deep dive is so important as it's where you're gonna learn everything about the business that's gonna help guide you to interview and then capture the most important elements for your client. Once we've completed that deep dive, we're gonna then schedule our shoot. Typically, we like to film a VBC over a half day, and the shoot can be broken down into 2 elements: the interview and then capturing supporting footage or B-roll. For the interview, we're gonna wanna interview one or either several key people at a company and ask them questions related to the core components of the company. Usually this includes who, why, what, how, and then a call to action. We interview our clients in this manner because there is a huge difference between your clients trying to memorize lines or nail a script perfectly versus just naturally answering your interview questions in a calm, relaxed environment, talking about what they do. Now let's talk about each one of these in greater detail. The who, it just lets your audience know who they are talking to. It's very simple. Hey guys, I'm Ceebz, I'm the founder of DNC Media. The why, this is the most important aspect of the VBC. Before someone even knows what the company does, they should know why this company exists. We want to specifically do this in a way so we can first connect on that much deeper level, and that's going to humanize the brand. We want our VBC to use this as the framework for why the business exists.
We were marine enthusiasts first, boaters, fishermen, users of these marine products.
There's looked at what everyone was doing in the industry, and we took the best of it and we created our product.
Now the what is very straightforward. What do you do? This is a look into what the company offers and how they actually fulfill on their orders for their clients. It's designed to stop someone from questioning the legitimacy of a company.
So Cultured Vine handles everything from your lodging, your restaurant reservations, any excursions you want to do, including wine tasting.
Now the how are you guys doing this in a way that's different than everyone else? At this point in the video business card, the audience has built a connection with the company and knows what they do. That doesn't mean that they're not willing to go look elsewhere for another company. We want to show the unique value add philosophies or even the personalities that make the company to do business with.
No other concierge in the Valley does what we do, offers the experiences that we do. Every single itinerary is unique to the guest.
And lastly, guys, we have the call to action where we directly invite the audience to take the action once they are in that heightened emotional state and connected with the company's purpose. They know what they do and they know how they do it differently than anyone else.
If you're looking for the next generation of marine protection, check out our website. There's an installer locator at the top. We look forward to hearing from you.
Now, if all we did was just these interviews, it wouldn't be that exciting, right? We don't want to just have our clients rambling on about how great they are. So how can we still showcase your clients crushing it? We call this show, don't tell, also known as B-roll. What we want to do is figure out what kind of shots you can show that represent the narrative that you just captured. For this reason, oftentimes I like to shoot the B-roll after I do the interview because you'll hear certain things during the interview that might give you some just ideas that you can get out and capture. For example, you shouldn't just get footage of someone working at their desk with clients, their products, whatever it is. Yes, it's great to have that footage too, but remember, people work with those that they know, like, and trust, and we want to bring people to the behind the scenes of a company. So this could be showing what type of great attitude or energy this person has, the unique process they use to make their product or service unlike anything else. It's really up to you as the content strategist to decide what to capture, but the purpose of the deep dive is to start building that vision for your client's video business card. The most important concept here, guys, is you don't want to look for things to have them do. You want to be looking at things they are already doing and then capture that in the best possible way. That's it for this video on the video business card. Thanks for watching, guys. Now let's get to work.